This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook a delicious dim Alur Dal. This comforting Bengali dish combines eggs and potatoes in a flavorful curry. To begin, you will need 4 to 6 boiled eggs and 4 to 8 medium potatoes. Also, prepare 1/2 cup of chopped onion, 1 teaspoon each of ginger and garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 4 to 5 green chilies. Finally, have 1/2 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of panchphoron, and fresh coriander ready. Now, let's get our main ingredients ready. First, boil your potatoes until they are tender, then peel and lightly mash them. We want some texture, not a smooth paste. Next, boil your eggs, peel them, and then gently fry them in about 1 tablespoon of oil until they turn a lovely golden brown. Once fried, set these beautiful eggs aside. Also, ensure your 1/2 cup of onion, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and 1 teaspoon of garlic are finely chopped. It is time to build the rich flavors of our curry. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, then add 1 teaspoon of panchphoron to temper the spices. Sauté your chopped onions until they become translucent, then introduce the ginger and garlic paste, stirring well. Next, mix in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, and your chopped green chilies. Finally, add the lightly mashed potatoes and about 1.5 cups of water, letting it simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes. We are almost there. Now, carefully add the previously fried eggs into your simmering potato mixture. Let everything cook together for another 3 to 5 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. Once it is ready, garnish your dim Alur Dal generously with fresh chopped coriander leaves. This comforting and flavorful dish is best served hot, alongside fluffy rice or warm roti. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.